So this is how you access guided access. First you go to settings, then you go to general. After that you just scroll all the way down to accessibility, and then you scroll all the way down to guided access. Turn it on. After that, set a passcode. Okay, many numbers, something too easy for you to remember. Okay, and then turn it on Touch ID. Once you're done, press the home key. Now go to a YouTube video. Okay, say this one. Just play it. Okay, to turn it on, you press the home key 3 times. 1, 2, 3. See, guided access started. So what you do is, nobody can touch the screen. This is to keep your phone private. If you want to let your friend borrow it, or let your son or daughter play with your phone, what you do is you turn on guided access. They won't be able to go anywhere besides watching this video. Now, you can give, let's say, your friend options to, let's say you want them to browse the web or play a game and they need to touch the screen. You can actually, there's an option menu. Press guided access 3 times. Put your passcode. And right in the bottom left, options. Touch that. And then you let them do touch and keyboard. See that? Turn that on. Click done. Now resume. Here you go. They can change the video. They can change the video, do whatever they want, because now you enable touch for them. See that? And that's all. That's everything about guided access. I mean, it's very helpful. To turn it off, just press it 3 times again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then end. And guided access ended. Okay. If you guys have any questions, feel free to shoot me a message or email me. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and a like and a follow, actually. Thank you.